How to start Forex trading with just $100. Hello and welcome to FX Titan. Many beginners think they need thousands of dollars to trade Forex, but today I'll show you how you can start trading with as little as $100 and grow your account steadily with our free signal and guidance. When you are starting with $100, the key is to trade small, use micro lots, and keep leverage low to manage your risk. For example, trading 0.01 lot on Euro USD means your potential losses are smaller while with small accounts, every trade matters. That's why our free signals are so valuable. They give you entry, stop loss, and take profit level, helping you make better decisions while avoiding costly mistakes. Ready to grow your $100 account? Join our free Telegram group today. Start receiving daily signals and mentoring. Don't forget to subscribe to FX Titans and hit the notification bell for more beginner friendly